Today we'll be checking out tiny Amazon gadgets ranging from $8 to $630. Our first gadget is the Tiny Circuits Thumby, a tiny game console that's both playable and programmable for $30. With its compact form factor, the Thumby is the perfect keychain accessory for those who love to play on the go. And it's not just for show. This tiny game console comes with 5 retro games installed, ready to play right out of the box. There is also a massive library of games online that can be added if desired. The Thumby allows you to upload your own drawings and animations and even program your own games. Whether you're looking to play solo or with friends, the Tiny Circuits Thumby has got you covered. This next gadget is called the Moorebot Scout. It's a tiny AI-powered smart camera for monitoring which costs $200. Scout has a 1080p camera with 2-way audio support. Whether you're away from home or just busy, Scout can keep an eye on things for you. The gadget follows a pre-programmed path on its patrols, and it auto-docks to the charger when it's time to recharge. Control this omnidirectional 4-wheel drive cam from your phone, and let Scout do the work. It even has the ability to track and follow humans and pets around. Scout is also a smart home device as it supports voice control with Alexa, Google Home, and Siri. Stream the video onto your Echo Show and be confident that your video is confidential with a highly secured peer-to-peer protocol. This compact and powerful laser engraver has made waves in DIY and creative communities. The LaserPecker 1 Pro is a fully functional mini engraving machine that offers incredible precision and versatility for $329. With a blue-violet laser wavelength of 405 nanometers, this engraver is able to engrave a wide range of materials, from paper to wood. If you set this up on your desk, be careful. Unless, of course, you're intending to engrave the desk, too. With a wide range of supported file formats, you can use any picture or design you like and bring it to life. The LaserPecker app allows you to edit your designs and see a live preview before you even start engraving. Many artists engrave objects to sell on sites like eBay and Etsy. The Wallet Ninja is an $8 multi-tool in the shape of a credit card that's perfect for everyday use. This tiny tool is packed with 10 functions. There are 4 screwdriver sizes, 6 hex wrench sizes, and a bottle opener, fruit peeler, box opener, cell phone stand, can opener, ruler, and nail puller. The Wallet Ninja is made with heat-treated steel for durability. It's tough enough to withstand wear and tear, yet lightweight and easy to carry in your pocket or wallet. The gadget can be brought onto flights as it has no sharp edges and is shorter than 4 inches. The Wallet Ninja is a great multi-tool to have around for everyday use and in case of emergencies. It comes in purple, white, and blue. This tiny phone is called the Unihertz Jelly 2 and it's the world's smallest 4G smartphone. The Jelly 2 costs $210 and is the size of a credit card. It is equipped with GPS and doesn't compromise on its display despite its size. It boasts a high-quality 326 pixels per inch visual display, allowing you to enjoy movies, games, and more in vivid colors and sharp detail. With its robust and secure NFC, the Jelly 2 can be used for mobile payments. This gadget doubles as a universal remote, with an infrared port that lets you control various electronic devices. The battery is surprisingly efficient, but please note that the Jelly 2 is only supported by T-Mobile and Verizon networks. Meet the TinyTV DIY kit, which gives you the materials and guidance to build a miniature TV with a vibrant full-color OLED screen. The $75 kit includes a micro SD card that comes preloaded with content, a built-in speaker, and a USB port for charging. Assembling the kit takes less than 5 minutes with no soldering or special tools required, making it perfect for anyone from enthusiasts to first-time DIYers. The TV has a 3D printed design, 4 push buttons, and an on-off switch. Also, the tiny remote comes with it and is fully functional. The tiny TV can be customized, too. It comes in white, but you can easily add your own personal touch with acrylic paint or metallic Sharpies. So whether you're looking for a fun DIY project, or just want a compact and convenient way to watch your favorite content, the TinyTV DIY kit is an amusing choice. The Garmin inReach Mini is a satellite communicator sold for $313. It's the perfect solution for adventurers who want to stay connected off the grid. With its 2-way text messaging capabilities via the global satellite network, You can send and receive messages from anywhere in the world. In case of an emergency, the inReach Mini also has an interactive SOS feature that alerts the GEO's 24/7 emergency response team. For frequent flyers, the inReach Mini becomes a valuable air communications link when paired with the Garmin app. The app allows for easy texting and provides your followers on the ground with the ability to track your flight. A rechargeable battery inside lasts for 50 hours. If you're worried about losing connection on your next outdoor adventure, this gadget is definitely worth a look. Let's check out the $23 LeeReel wireless lavalier mic. What makes this tiny mic stand out is the noise reduction technology. It has a built-in smart chip that offers 3 levels of noise reduction, so you can adjust the microphone to your environment, whether you're in a quiet indoor space or a noisy outdoor location. Take a listen to this sound quality.
Now when I switch to the last level of noise reduction, the sound quality is better and that hiss is nearly gone, but not fully gone. And if I shut up for a moment, you can hear it if you pay attention to it.
This mic is incredibly easy to set up and use. Just plug the transmitter into your device and they'll automatically connect. This makes it ideal for recording videos or live streaming on platforms like TikTok or YouTube. The rechargeable battery lasts for up to 6 hours on a single charge, and you can expect a clear and consistent recording experience even from a distance of up to 60 feet. The mic is compatible with iPhones and iPads using a Lightning port. Next, we'll be taking a close look at this collection of mini knives for $17. The set includes 6 knives with different shapes, each with its own chain and sheath. These mini knives are designed to be ideal as box cutters, mail openers, or bottle openers. Each blade is made from stainless steel, and the handle is made from solid wood. The knives can be attached to your keychain or backpack. So if you're looking for a compact, versatile, and stylish knife set, look no further than the Damascus mini knives. The T-Core power bank is the smallest and lightest 10,000 mAh external battery on Amazon, and it costs $39. This tiny battery can fully charge your phone 3 times. And you won't have to wait long for it to charge. The T-Core power bank uses quick charge technology, meaning you can fully charge your phone in less than 30 minutes. Not only is it fast, but it's also versatile, with 2 USB outputs that support Lightning, Micro, and Type-C connectors. But what sets the T-Core power bank apart is its compact size. It's smaller than half the size of an iPhone and weighs only half a pound. There are no sharp edges or corners, so it's comfortable to hold and carry. Throw it in your pocket and you'll quickly forget it's there until your devices are running low. Next up is the GreenLife breakfast station for $45. This innovative appliance is not just any ordinary breakfast maker. It's made with a non-stick coating that's easy to clean. With its dual griddle compartments, you can cook 2 things at once, whether it's eggs and bacon, or pancakes and sausage. The glass lid allows you to monitor your food while it cooks, and with a built-in timer, you can keep track of your meal while you get ready for the day. The bread drawer even makes up to 2 pieces of toast while the rest of your breakfast is cooking. With cool touch handles and rubber feet, the breakfast maker will be steady on your counter. The gadget is available in 3 colors: turquoise, white, and pink. The GPD MicroPC is a powerful device despite its size. The $630 device has a rugged exterior and is equipped with 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB M.2 SSD for lightning-fast read and write speeds. The device also features a 6-inch Gorilla Glass screen with a sharp display. This gadget has full Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capability. Additionally, it features 3 USB 3.0 interfaces, a Type-C charging port, and a micro SD card slot. With a weight of just 440 grams, the GPD MicroPC is easy to take on the go and runs on either Windows 10 Pro or Ubuntu. The HP Sprocket is a portable instant photo printer. This $77 gadget can print photos on demand from your iOS or Android device. It uses zero ink technology, meaning you won't have to replace any expensive toner or ink ribbon. The glossy sticky-backed photo paper has colors embedded inside, making it resistant to water and smudges. What sets the HP Sprocket apart is its customization options. With the free HP app, you can apply stickers, borders, or emojis, making your photos truly unique. And you can set up the Sprocket at parties so friends can print their own photos instantly. The Sprocket is very slim and portable. It's wireless and rechargeable, with a battery that can print 35 photos per charge. With 10 sheets of 2x3-inch photo paper included, you can start creating prints right away. If you missed our last video on satisfying factory machines and tools, please check it out. Thank you for watching Tech Unfolds.